Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of October 4th through the 10th, and I'm going to use this kit. It's called Kit 107 from A Pretty Planscape, and it's this Halloween kind of bougie castle themed kit. I also got sheet 5B, which is these boxes, and then sheet 3A, which is the glitter headers. I'm planning to probably save the black ones. I think they're the most versatile. And use the other three colors. And I kind of want to make it pop, especially because my bottom washi, I feel like, will make it more black. So I think that's my plan. I'm going to use these three headers. I think I'm going to scatter them, but I'm going to... nope, I think I'm going to do them in an order. Probably purple, yellow, blue. I think that's going to be my plan. And then I also pulled some bottom washi. I didn't buy the washi sheet. So this is from AliExpress. This one's from Amazon. I thought it kind of had a similar vibe. And then I pulled these two skinny ones just in case they're also from Amazon. So I don't know if I need those, but I have them. So my plan is to use these two for the bottom washi. Definitely have plenty of space in that regard. I need to pull my white out. This week, mostly it's birthdays is the theme of the week. So that'll be mostly what ends up taking over everything. But I am going to put down the bottom washi. I am going to put down the glitter headers. And then we will come back and do all the interesting bits. All right, here is where we are at right now, and I am loving it. It's super cute. I don't think I'm going to need these black ones, so I'm just going to set those in my leftovers for later. Looking at the full boxes, so obviously these two should stay together. Yeah, I'm going to just put them on Saturday and Sunday and just start right out there. I don't know how these fit. I've never used one of these kits before. Looks like I gotta fill the space. Okay, perfect. Always hoping that I lay these down straight. Close enough. I did my best. I think ones that kind of go with the same vibes and can therefore be separated from it, from the double box, are this one, and then I think I'm going to do this one as the other one that has like same vibes. There we go. This one is my favorite box, so this one is going to be a full box up here in the like quote box space. There we go. Then I feel like the flowers should be split. This will work better if I hadn't like stuck myself to the pages, the stickers so much. They are very, very sticky. No, let go, let go. Okay. Sorry if you can hear my cat playing with the spring. And then I feel like this is the other box that kind of goes with the quote box. So I'm going to stick that right here. I know there's two of these in a row, but I think that's fine. I'm going to use this on the sidebar. So I'm just going to set it to the side. All right, so that's kind of where we are right now, and I love it. It's gorgeous, I think. So for the sidebar, I kind of feel like I should use some washi, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to use this washi some more. I'm not going to white out the dots because I feel like it's fine. I have like a tiny, tiny gap. Is this even straight? That's the other question. All right, there we go. Mostly filled the gap. Where did I put my slice tool? Oh, there we go. Perfect. So I have these two leftovers. I can't remember where they're from. I want to say organized potato, but I'm not sure. Anyway, their colors are basically perfect. Like this one, so good. And then black, obviously. So I'm going to use them. Because they're perfect for this. There we go. So one of these is going to be for stretching, and one of these is going to be for Pepper's teeth. I don't know if I have anything that's like the right color. I like that guy, but it's like a little big, I feel like. These colors are kind of unusual, which makes this a little bit more tricky than it might usually be. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it, and I'm just gonna fill them in. I don't need to put in anything. All right, another row of washi. Like so. Then I think, so how much space is this gonna take up? Still have a pretty good chunk. So I did pull out this like goal getter kit, which has a lot of black and gold in it. So I'm just gonna like very quickly flip through this. What about think, dream, plan, or make your dreams happen? I think those are the only like that kind of thing in here. I kind of like the think, dream, plan one. So I'm gonna pull this out. And stick it down like so. And then I'm gonna take the full box. And I'll put it at the bottom. There we go. And then I need a little something. This is too wide. Okay. Well, good thing I pulled out these tiny washies then. I don't pre-plan what my sidebar is going to look like. I'm just like winging it in the moment. All right. Well, I don't know why I just like tore off some extra, but I guess I don't want that part. As Caitlin would say, thank you for your service. This page is done. And then I think I'm going to take this purpley blue star one and stick that down as well. There we go. I think that looks pretty good, and I really like the sidebar at this point. So for the weekdays and getting started on the actual plans, I pulled out this Agenda 52 book. It's a paper studio book from Hobby Lobby. And it has a bunch of black stickers. So I am going to use these $ ones. I'm just going to pull out 5 right now for work. So I am ready to go with that. Oh, also in the same section, I'm going to pull out 2 birthday cakes because there's 2 birthdays. Okay. So should I stick the birthday at the top? Sure. Why not? I guess a 3rd box. I mean, it's gonna. Okay, so this one is my mom's birthday. And then underneath that, I'm going to stick work. Like so. And then also on Monday, I am going to, I think these are the most black. Yeah, I have this camera deco from Piper Paper Company. There is a 20% off code down below if you're interested. No pressure. I do get a small commission to use for store credit if you use my code. But either way, you get 20% off. Code down below if you care. So this is for my plan with me. That's all I know that's going on. I'm going to need to call my mom, but I feel like this thing marking her birthday will probably remind me sufficiently. And I'm not sure what else will happen. Tuesday is just work. Wednesday is just work. Nothing really going on those days, I don't think. And then Thursday, work again. You guessed it. And then I'll use this one. Sure. This day is my husband's birthday. So I'm going to use the birthday icon like so, and then stick work underneath. And then also on Friday, I need another one of these guys because I'm going to post a video. I'm not sure which video is going to go up yet. Maybe my September monthly. Not really sure. Whatever it is, you'll know what it is before I do, since it'll be up. And then Saturday and Sunday, we have a bunch of local fall activities going on, so we might do those, but not really sure of anything right now. So this is what the pre-planning is looking like before the pen. Obviously, a ton of boxes left. I'm expecting to have some leftovers even after I do all this stuff, but that's going to be nice. I can always use some leftovers. So I'm just going to stick that over to the side where I put all the stickers that I'm currently using. And this is, I think, what we have right now. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Love how this turned out. I can do like a wiggle and a twerk so that you can kind of see. There's a lot of foil on this one, but I think it's super cute. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from A Pretty Planscape. I love this kit. I'm so glad I got it. I'm so glad that I won the TPC credit from her shop. So thank you again. So excited for everything. I do have a good number of boxes left over, which I expected. I'm going to throw those in my leftovers along with the extra set of glitter headers. This washi tape comes from Amazon. These two are leftover habit trackers. I'm guessing from Organized Potato, but I'm not totally certain. This comes from a Happy Planner book. The skinny washi is from Amazon, and then this wide washi is from AliExpress. All of these giant round icons all come from an Agenda 52 book from Hobby Lobby. This one's from Piper Paper Company. Happy Planner, Happy Planner. I think this is Happy Planner. Not totally certain. And then Happy Planner. All that Agenda 52. Happy Planner, Happy Planner. Agenda 52, Happy Planner. Happy Planner, Piper Paper Company. All these purple ones come from the Happy Planner. More Agenda 52, Agenda 52, Happy Planner, Agenda 52, Piper Paper Company, Happy Planner, Agenda 52, Agenda 52. So it's this one, and then Happy Planner for the script, and this guy. Happy Planner, Agenda 52, and Happy Planner. So I think that's everything. So as you can see, I really took advantage. There was a Happy Planner book that had this purple color, purple blue, that really matches this flower. So I played up that color because I really liked it. And then I also had those Agenda 52 books that had all this black with gold, which I also kind of played up. So there's not a ton of navy in here, all things considered, even though I really like it. But just, you know, like touches of navy and the purple color and the, like this burgundy and then the yellow kind of popping through all the black and purple. So yeah, I love how it turned out. It's super cute. Definitely excited to have used this art, and I think this kit turned out really well, and I really like this version. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. Let me know what kits you're planning for Christmas, I guess, at this point. If you're doing Christmas kits for all of December, I would love to know. That's kind of where I am to start planning. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.